In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy keyframes in Cinema 4D using the timeline dope sheet. If you're animating in Cinema 4D and want to reuse timing or motion you've already created, copying keyframes is a fast and reliable way to build out your animation without starting from scratch. We'll use the dope sheet to select, copy, and paste keyframes from one object to another, and I'll point out a few tips to keep everything aligned and clean. Start by opening the timeline, also known as the dope sheet. In the animation toolbar, click the timeline or dope sheet icon to bring up the panel. You'll see your objects and their animation tracks laid out over time. This is where we'll make our selections. Next, in the dope sheet for your source object, select the keyframes you want to copy. You can click and drag a marquee to grab a range, or shift-click to add or remove individual keyframes from your selection. Make sure you're selecting the exact properties you need, such as position, rotation, or scale, so you copy only what matters for your animation. With those keyframes highlighted, go to Edit and choose Copy. If you want to copy an entire track rather than individual keyframes, you can use the Copy Track option. Either way, Cinema 4D will store your selection on the clipboard, preserving the timing relative to the first keyframe in the group. Now, move the current time indicator, the vertical line in the dope sheet, to the frame where you want the copied keyframes to begin. This is important because the paste operation will anchor the first copied keyframe at this point in time and maintain the original spacing between subsequent keys. Select your destination object in the Object Manager. This tells Cinema 4D where to place the pasted animation. It's a good idea to ensure the destination object has the same or compatible animated properties. For example, pasting rotation keys onto an object that also rotates. Finally, paste the keyframes. Go to Edit and choose Paste to apply them to the destination object's animation track. If you prefer, you can use Animation Paste Tracks, which pastes at the track level. You should now see the new keys in the dope sheet, aligned to the time you set with the current time indicator. That's all there is to it. If something lands in the wrong place, simply undo, adjust the time indicator or selection, and paste again. With this workflow, you can quickly reuse motion, maintain consistent timing, and speed up your animation process.